Tinker Lab. Let's make Scar's car. For material, from the top of box, let us pick the wheels, axle and straw. From the base kit, let us take the multi-pop. And from the electronic bits kit, let's pick the battery holder, the BO motor, the rocker switch and MF connector. From the red foam board, you have to pick the 12 number piece. And from the black foam, you have to pick the focus bits, 2 focus bits, number 3 and the holder bit 4. So these are the materials required for the Scar's car, and let us explore the BO motor, wheels and axles to make a simple car. So now let us fix the gear motor to the multi-pop. So now the gear motor is fixed. Let us now fix the axles. Take 2 axles from the pouch and fix onto the BO motor. Now let us place the wheels to the axles. Now half the setup is ready. Keep this aside. And now let's make the front wheels. To make the front wheels, take the foam piece 12 and try to insert the lollipop through the hole and fix the focus bits on the either side of the straw. Now place the holder bit onto the multi-pop. Pop out the middle piece of the holder bit and then fix this piece number 12. Fix this piece number 12 into the holder. So now our car base is ready. Now let us connect the BO motor to the long MF connector and to the rocker switch and to the battery. So now let us connect the female of the BO motor to the male connector, and you can, when you are removing the connectors, you have to press the male bit and then pull out the female. See that the connections are intact. And now let's connect the rocker switch, and lastly let us connect the battery holder. Okay, read the instructions before you start and see that the holder is in on mode, battery holder. When we switch on the double way switch, then it moves front. When we switch on the single way switch, then it will move backward.